In this video, you will see what happens during the procedure, but before I get into what happens during the procedure, let me talk briefly about what needs to happen prior to getting your eyebrows done. Make sure to plan your appointment accordingly. If you have any major event coming up, or if you are planning on going on vacation, please allow about 10 days for your eyebrows to heal, and on the day of your procedure, please allow about 2.5–3 hours. If you have a medical condition and you take medications, please provide us with the list of medications so we can verify if there are any contraindications for getting the treatment done. On the day of your procedure, please arrive about 10–15 minutes earlier to fill out the client intake forms, unless the forms were provided to you prior to the appointment during your consultation. On the day of the procedure, please do not work out, do not tan or have a sunburned face. 24 hours prior to the appointment, try to avoid any type of blood thinners such as aspirin, niacinamide, E, fish oil, or ibuprofen unless your doctor is recommending it. Please, no alcohol or caffeine prior to the appointment, no waxing, tweezing, or tinting 3 days prior to the appointment, and if you had Botox done, you must wait at least 2 weeks before you can get your eyebrows done. So now that you know what to do or not to do prior to getting your eyebrows done, let's jump into what happens during the procedure. First, we measure and draw the eyebrows based on a specific measurement, but also based on your facial structure and your personal preference. So if you didn't have a consultation prior to your appointment, it is advisable to bring a picture with you so we can get a better idea what your personal preference is, how you normally do your makeup. Do you like higher arch? Do you like more of a gradual arch? Do you fill in your eyebrows, or you like more of a natural look? It will help us determine which application technique would be the most appropriate for you. So if you like the natural look and you have dry or combination skin, we might recommend microblading. Or if you like more of a bolder makeup look and you have oily skin, the powder ombre technique probably will be the best option for you. After we measured and draw the shape, the next step is to numb the area. We use the lidocaine-based numbing, so if you are allergic to lidocaine, it is important to tell us during the consultation or prior to the appointment so we can use an alternative numbing. After the area was numbed for about 15–20 minutes, which is enough time for you to feel comfortable, we are ready to start the procedure. So if we chose microblading or the combination technique, the first pass is done with a manual tool called a microblade. If we decided on the powder ombre technique, then we will outline the eyebrows with the machine, which will secure the shape. After that, we will repeat the passes a couple of times to either fill in the brows with hair strokes or shade it in with the machine. The procedure will take about 2.5 hours, 3 hours the first time, and about an hour, hour and a half for your touch-up appointment, which will take place 6 weeks after your initial appointment. Your skin will feel a bit swollen after the procedure, so plan your appointment accordingly. Please allow time for your eyebrows to heal. I recommend using a tissue, dabbing on your eyebrows hourly the day of the procedure to remove any lymph or pigment buildup, which will prevent heavy scabbing. Scab can pull out the pigment and it will interfere with your retention. For 10 days, keep the area dry. Please do not do any type of activity that will overheat your body too much and make you sweat heavily. Sweat is very acidic, and again, it will interfere with your retention. You will be provided with aftercare instructions and ointment, and we will schedule you for your follow-up appointment. It is very important to follow the aftercare instructions for proper healing. So if you are interested in getting to know us better and find out if permanent makeup is the right option for you, please give us a call or book a consultation below. We look forward to getting to know you and save you some time with your daily eyebrow hassle of drawing and penciling and some frustrations along the way. See you soon.